This is a TIG-200 welding machine. 220 power supply for single power supply. This machine customer said it can be used. It's the air pressure that keeps leaking. Now turn it on and try it with air pressure. Now after inflating, leaks out as soon as I turn it on. Normally, when the switch is pressed, the gas will be released. The problem should be a problem with the bottom plate. Also look at which widget in this orientation is broken. Now the two broken parts have been replaced. Try starting it up again. Now it won't leak anymore. You need to press the switch to let out the gas. Attach the welding gun. See if there are any other problems. There is no problem. The machine has been repaired. It's these two widgets that are broken. Relays and diodes. If this video helped you, can follow me. Thanks for watching.